Hey, good day. This is the Internet Marketing Lifestyle ebook. Step-by-step guide reviews several hacks to living the internet marketing lifestyle to the fullness. This is Make Money Big J channel, and this ebook, I just want to quickly make a review of this ebook. On this ebook, we have if you are an internet marketer, you are an affiliate marketer, you are an online businessman, this ebook is for you. On the description of this video, I'm going to be dropping the link to download it for free. On the description of this video is a link to download this ebook for free. A lot we are covering here on this ebook. Yes, the internet marketing lifestyle, how to get more from life as an internet marketer. On this book, we have the introduction. That's the chapter 1. What's life good and should be like for an internet marketer? The dream of an internet marketer. About this book. Then chapter 2, better sleep for greater efficiency. Importance of discipline, how to fix your sleep with ideal sleep hygiene, how to get out of bed on time every day, and so on. Chapter 2, cultivating discipline and using productivity strategy, how to separate your day into blocks, how to jump straight into work. Chapter 4, hardware and location. What are the things you need? Hardware, the right computer, tip for productive home office, working on the move, how to afford better tech as an internet marketer, what to wear for internet marketer. Chapter 5, should you become an internet nomad? Know your option. Get that on the ebook. On the description of this ebook, you will get the link to download this ebook for free. Chapter 6, creating work and life balance. How do you balance your work life outside the internet and your life as an internet marketer? Know your option. Setting a budget, separating work and play, and so on. Chapter 7, managing and finding clients. How to charge more and work less. How to remove difficult clients and move your life much easier. Make your life much easier. How to work less and get paid more. Then automation. How do you set everything on autopilot that work for you for a long time? Chapter 8, finding meaning in your life. Now, on this ebook, like I said, you have the link to download this ebook on the description of this video. On this ebook are special programs I've recommended for you. My number 1 affiliate marketing tool that will blow up your earning with affiliate marketing. Just click the link, click here, and then you get that offer. Then we have also special recommendation for you. Yes, we have Smart Affiliate System, beginner to advanced marketing course. This is for you if you are aspiring to be an advanced affiliate marketer. This is for you. SST affiliate blueprint. Then we have the audience toolkit. How do you drive traffic or to your offer, to your services, or whatever you have on the internet? The tools you need to drive audience. This is for you. Just click here, and then you get this offer. This, as I said, is the Make Money Big J channel. Get the link to download this ebook at the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. I wish you the best. See you on the inside.